Hey, my name is Mitch Getz. I'm with T&T Plumbing Heating, and I just graduated Total Immersions out here in LA. Companies, we're just not offering a value to the customer. We're just taking care of the immediate issue and walking out the door. We're not looking at the whole system. And I think as technicians, they're just trying to rush in, rush out, get it done, and go home. And I look at it after this class of we're missing out on a lot of opportunities. We're missing out on the value we should be offering to customers to help grow.